welcome to our English class of grade 1. I hope you are ready for our today's class with your necessary materials. Are you ready? What have you brought with you? Do you have your English book? Look, take out your English book, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and a set of crayons. If you don't have a set of crayons like this, you can also use color pencils. Okay, so we'll do different activity today. We are going to start our class with a rhyme today. Before singing the rhyme, I want to ask you something. Can you tell me? Can you answer me? Are you ready to answer me? Okay. Can you remember what did we discuss in our last class? Yes, of course. We learned to write G. Yes. And we also colored the picture there. Yes. And we found different letters there on the body of the horse and color it. Yes. So today also we are going to discuss from our lesson 30. What is the topic? You have to guess. Okay. Before telling you the topic, I want to ask you some more questions. म केही क्वेशन सोध्छु भन्नुस् है त आन्सर भन्नुस् है Okay. Now, how many hands have you got? How many hands have you got? Or how many hands do you have? Good. We have 2 hands. Yes, we have 2 hands. And how many heads do you have? Yes, we have 1 head. Yes, this is our head. Yes. And do you have hair? Do you have hair on your body? Yes, I also have hair. Yes, this is hair. Okay, so we have different parts in our body like hands, head, hair. Yes, these are the things. Okay, so we are going to start our class with a rhyme. Do you like to sing song? Of course. So I have brought you a song. I have brought a song for you. Okay, let's sing. First of all, I'll sing it. Listen to me carefully. Look at the pictures given there, and later we'll sing together. Okay, are you ready? अब हामी गीत गाउने है हुन्छ तयार हुनुहुन्छ Okay. First of all, listen to me very carefully. Look there, and later we'll sing together. Okay? Okay. Now let's start. Let's start singing, okay? It's for hello. It's for hello. Hello. Ha ha hello. It's for hello. Ha ha hello. Next. It's for horse. Ha ha horse. It's for horse. Ha ha horse. Have you seen horse? Of course, you have seen, yes? Next one. It's for hot. Ha ha hot. It's for hot. Ha ha hot. It's for house. Ha ha house. It's for house. Ha ha house. You also have a house, yes? You live in a house. So, next one. It's for hotel. Ha ha hotel. It's for hotel. Ha ha hotel. It's for hand. Ha ha hand. It's for hand. Ha ha hand. It's for hair. Ha ha hair. It's for hair. Ha ha hair. It's for home. Ha ha home. It's for home. Ha ha home. It's for holiday. Ha ha holiday. It's for holiday. Ha ha holiday. What do you do in your holiday? Yes, we enjoy different activities. Yes. Now look here. People are riding on elephant. Yes. They are enjoying their holiday. We also have holiday once a week. That is Saturday. Yes. So it's for holiday. Ha ha holiday. It's for handsome. Ha ha handsome. It's for handsome. Ha ha handsome. It's for hospital. Ha ha hospital. It's for hospital. Ha ha hospital. It's for hundred. Ha ha hundred. It's for hundred. Ha ha hundred. Have you seen 100 rupees note? Yes, look here. There is 100 rupees note. Yes. Okay. Did you listen to me? Okay. If you have listened to me carefully, we can sing this rhyme together again. Are you ready to sing this rhyme again? Okay. So get ready, all of you. Get ready to sing this rhyme again. Okay. I'll also start from the beginning. Then you have to sing with me. Okay? Okay. Now, look here. Look at the picture. Then, let's sing it carefully. Let's sing it together. Okay? I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. It's for hello. Ha ha hello. It's for hello. Ha ha hello. It's for horse. Ha ha horse. It's for horse. Ha ha horse. It's for hot. Ha ha hot. It's for hot. Ha ha hot. It's for house. Ha ha house. It's for house. Ha ha house. It's for hotel. Ha ha hotel. It's for hotel. Ha ha hotel. It's for hand. Ha ha hand. It's for hand. Ha ha hand. It's for hair. Ha ha hair. It's for hair. Ha ha hair. It's for home. Ha ha home. It's for home. Ha ha home. It's for holiday. Ha ha holiday. It's for holiday. Ha ha holiday. It's for handsome. Ha ha handsome. It's for handsome. Ha ha handsome. It's for hospital. Ha ha hospital. It's for hospital. Ha ha hospital. It's for hundred. Ha ha hundred. It's for hundred. Ha ha hundred. Good job. Okay. Do you want to sing it once more? Okay. So we'll sing it together very carefully for the last time. Okay. So be careful. Look at the pictures and sing with me. Okay. Okay. It's for hello. Ha ha hello. It's for hello. Ha ha hello. It's for horse. Ha ha horse. It's for horse. Ha ha horse. It's for hot. Ha ha hot. It's for hot. Ha ha hot. It's for house. Ha ha house. It's for house. Ha ha house. It's for hotel. Ha ha hotel. It's for hotel. Ha ha hotel. It's for hand. Ha ha hand. It's for hand. Ha ha hand. It's for hair. Ha ha hair. It's for hair. Ha ha hair. It's for home. Ha ha home. It's for home. Ha ha home. It's for holiday. Ha ha holiday. H for holiday, ha ha holiday. H for handsome, ha ha handsome. H for handsome, ha ha handsome. H for hospital, ha ha hospital. H for hospital, ha ha hospital. H for hundred, ha ha hundred. H for hundred, ha ha hundred. Okay. In this way, we enjoyed the rhyme. Did you enjoy it? Of course. It is interesting, yes? Okay. We'll do next activity. Before doing next activity, I want to ask you what we are going to learn today. Can you guess? You saw different words there. You found different words there like holiday, handsome, hospital, 100. All the words are started with which alphabet? Of course, it's yes. So you have already guessed that today we are going to learn the alphabet H. Yes, you can also see there. So we are going to start our class. Okay. Now you can look at your book. You can look there on your units. Lesson 30 of the alphabet H. Okay. We are going to learn the alphabet H today. बुझिरहनु भएको छ? आज के सिक्दै रहेछौँ हामी? Alphabet H. Yes. So in this rhyme we found different words starting with the alphabet H. Yes. So the pictures are given here. Now look at the pictures given here very carefully. And you have to tell me what you see there. Okay? I'll ask you, then you have to tell me what you see there in the picture. Okay? Listen and say. First of all, listen to me and say, what do I ask you? Okay? मैले भनेको क्वेशन सुन्ने अनि त्यसपछि पिक्चर हेरेर आन्सर दिने हुन्छ रेडी हुनुहुन्छ ओके नाउ look at the picture what can you see here what is this yes bag is bag what is the color of the bag can you see there yellow yes it is beautiful yes this one is bag what is this bag once more please. Bag. Okay, can you spell the word bag? B-A-G. Bag. Yes. Next one. I'll show you next picture and tell me what you see there. Okay. What is this? Have you ever seen this one? Okay, you can see here. What is it? Egg. You must have eaten the egg, yes? So you must have seen the egg too. So look here, this is egg. Good job. Now, can you spell egg? Can you spell E-G-G, egg? Once more please. E-G-G, egg. Okay, next one. What is this? Can you see? Yes. Then what is this? Have you seen it? Of course, you have seen it and you have also used it to sleep. Then what is this? Okay, bed. Bed. Good job. हामी के गर्छौं बेडमा? We sleep there. Yes? So, this is bed. Can you spell bed? B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Follow me, okay? B-E-D, bed. Good job. Next one. What is this? Have you seen this? Okay. Then, can you name it? Okay. This one is bee. Bee. Honey bee. You say honey bee, yes? Honey bee also. So, can you spell bee? B-E-E. E B हामी यसलाई के भन्छौं मौरी पनि भन्छौं ए मौरी हनी बी ओके B E E B okay okay next one now let's repeat all the words again okay now look here B A G bag follow me okay B A G bag E G G egg B E D bed B B E E B okay good job now I hope you can read these words yourselves yes and you can also learn these words okay okay let's go to next activity now a picture is given here you can see different things there and look and discuss अब के गर्छौं हामी यो पिक्चर हेरेर डिस्कस गर्छौं है what can you see in the pictures we can discuss okay we can discuss look here you can see different things here what can you see at first what are they look here there are tall hills yes look here and what is the color of this hill is it red no this is green yes so these are hills what are they hills okay and what can you see what other things can you see here there is a horse what is this horse follow me please horse okay what is the color of the horse white yes white horse green hills okay and you can also see there a man is riding on the horse yes what is he doing he is riding on the horse and what is he putting on look there what is this the man is putting on a hat do you also put on your hat sometimes yes sometimes some of you may have putting on your hat too so the man is also putting on the hat yes on his head yes this is hat this is hat yes okay now where is the man putting on the hat on head yes the man is putting on the hat on his head he is riding on the horse and he is going through the hills yes good now look here what is this is a house yes this is a small house yes okay this is a small house and you can see here what is this is hen yes the hen is grazing there yes so there is a hen follow me what are there a hen house horse and hat the man is putting on the hat yes then you can also say hills or you can say a man is riding on a horse putting on his hat putting a hat on his head yes and he is going through hills near a house a hen is grazing there near the house okay you can see different things here okay you have to tell me once more what can you see there again yourselves okay मैले भने नि डिस्कस गर्यौ हामीले अब तपाईहरुको पाला है के देख्नुहुन्छ ल भन्नुस् त म देखाउँछु अनि भन्नुस् है त what can you see here Good. Heels. Okay. Then here is horse, and a man is wearing a hat on his head. Yes, hat on the man's head. Yes, and there is a house. Okay, and there is a hen. Okay, good. House, hen, horse, hat, hills. Okay, you saw different things. Can you tell me what are these words started with? All the words hat, horse, house, hen, hills started with what? The alphabet H. Okay, the alphabet H. We have also seen different words there. Yes, we have also seen different words previously. We have also read different words previously. So we discussed about the different words here. Okay, now you can see here. What can you see here? Look, this one is the alphabet H. Yes, this one is the alphabet H. Okay, now what words start with H? Let's see. Let's see the words and listen to me and follow after me to name the words. Okay? Okay. यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् है अब हामी के गर्दैछौँ H बाट स्टार्ट हुने वर्डहरु पढ्दैछौँ है. I'll show the words and read it, and you have to follow me to read the words, to name the words. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Now let's see. What is this? You have already seen in the previous picture too. Yes? Okay. I hope you can name it. What is this? Tell me. Good. This is house. Yes? This is a house. Now next one. This is a, you have already seen this picture too. There was white horse in the previous picture. Yes? So there is also a horse. Yes? This is a horse. Once more please. Horse. Okay. Next one. You have also seen this picture. Already seen in the previous one. Yes? What is this? Tell me. Good. Hen. Okay? Hen. Do you have hen at your home? Someone may have. Yes? You have seen hen, and someone may have hen in your home too. Yes? Okay. This one is hen. Yes? And next one. This one is hand. Yes? I have already shown you in our starting of the class. Yes? This is hand. Yes? Okay. This is hand. Okay. Now, can you name this one? What is this? This is my head. Yes? This is my head. This is my hand. This is my hair. Yes? You can also name different parts of your body too, starting with H. Okay? Hand, hair, head, start with the alphabet H. Okay? The alphabet H. Then I hope you are clear about the words that start with the alphabet H. Let's tell them once more. Okay? Follow me. House. Good. Horse. Good. Hen. Good. Hands. Good job. Okay? Before doing this another activity, I want to show you very interesting activity here. What is this? Can you guess? Can you guess, please? Okay, look there. This is drawing and coloring activity. अब हामी केमा छौं? Drawing and coloring. You must be there with your pencil and a set of crayons or color pencils. Okay? अब कलर पेन्सिल्स अथवा क्योरेन्स निकाल्नुस् अनि पेन्सिल निकाल्नु अनि त्यसपछि हामी के गर्छौं ड्राइङ गर्छौं अनि कलर गर्छौं है आर यु रेडी okay now look here you can look at the picture of a horse here yes there is a picture of a horse yes this colored one yes the horse is colored and it is drawn properly यसलाई चाहिँ कलर गरिसकेको छ हो now look here how is horse drawn कसरी ड्रा गर्ने त horse हेर्नुस् त you can draw horse starting with the alphabet H बाट start गर्न सक्छौं हामी horse draw गर्नको लागि है first of all we will write H here then from H we'll give different shape okay of the horse by writing over it okay are you ready with your pencil dear I hope you are ready let's do book मा दिएको छ है तपाईहरुको you can do it in your book too first of all write H यसै माथि लेख्दै जानु H बनाउने हो H बनाएपछि के बन्द रहेछ H बाट हर्स बन्द रहेछ है now look here यस्तै हर्स बन्छ यहाँ लास्ट मा गएर are you looking okay now H again you have already done H now add here this one make one again yes and give some lines here like this to make its body okay and draw next line okay in this way okay and next see here up to here we have done now what is added here you have already done up to here यहाँसम्म त अघि बनिसकेको छ अब के गर्नु पर्यो यो पार्ट एड गर्नु पर्यो you have to add this part okay this part and this part okay others are already done yes okay now head and tail yes and let's see here what parts are added more parts are added here and this one you can see here okay this one and you can make eye here okay you can make mouth here like this okay and you can give different shapes of the horse here are you doing with me I hope you are doing yes okay okay now okay the horse is made starting with the letter H starting with the alphabet H this one is lowercase H yes lowercase H lowercase alphabet or you also say small letter for this yes small H yes okay now we have drawn now it is turn to color are you ready with your color pencils or crayons now I have two crayons here this one and this one we need two colors three colors I hope three colors yes first one is red then brown and black here on the legs okay now let's color it first of all look here at first what is the color at first see this part okay brown color now let's color And again, where is the brown color? I hope most of the parts are colored with brown, yes, because the hearts is brown, yes. So look here, this parts, this parts, this part is. Fill up colors properly, okay? Up, down, left, right, like this, okay? Fill up color here. Start from the very highest part or the above part, okay? माथिबाट स्टार्ट गर्दै जाने अनि फिल गर्दै जाने कलर है. Are you doing with me? Yes. I hope you are doing, yes? Now let's color this body part. Don't put color outside the body, okay? Okay. Now we'll color with red one, okay? Red ले कहाँ color गरेको छ हेर्नुस् त. This part, this part, okay? Tail is also red, yes? Okay. Now, here is left. Now, at last, black color. Let's use black color here, okay? Okay, it is done. Now look here. The horse is similar now. Yes? Okay, you have drawn and colored the horse very well. Very good job. I hope you can do it at your home too. Remaining one. Okay. Now let's go to, you can also draw horse at your home starting with the letter H. घरमा पनि H बाट हर्स बनाउन ट्राई गर्नु है अहिले हामीले जसरी प्र्याक्टिस गर्यौ त्यसै गरी ट्राई गर्नु हुन्छ ओके H बाट हर्स बनाउने यस्तै गरी कलर गर्ने ओके दिस इज योर homework okay and let's go to next activity okay now let's match the uppercase letters with their lowercase letters okay first of all uppercase letters are given uppercase alphabets are given and in the second column lowercase alphabets are given okay now let's see them and match them properly what is this D now where is lowercase d here is this D no is this no is this no is this no which one is yes this one yes now let's match D here good job B what is this B now let's search B here is this B no is this no this is already gone yes this one is B A where is A is this A yes this one is A okay C now let's find C here where is C yes only this one is remaining so this is uppercase D and lowercase d uppercase B and lowercase b uppercase C and lowercase c okay now let's see again what is this E okay E where is E here is this E is this yes this one is E G where is G here is this G no is this no is this yes now G what is this F where is F here is this F yes this one is F okay and at last what is this H uppercase H okay and where is lowercase h here yes now let's read it once more uppercase E lowercase e uppercase G lowercase g uppercase F lowercase f uppercase H lowercase h okay you can also say capital and small हामी capital र small भन्छौं है we say this uppercase and lowercase too so let's see next one at last you have a last activity to write okay now what can you see here now you can see the alphabets H capital alphabet or uppercase alphabet and lowercase alphabet this one is uppercase H and this one is lowercase h okay the dots are given here you have to trace over the dots and make the alphabet H both alphabets capital and small h okay are you ready first of all you have to start from here okay you have to start from here right over dot okay dot 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 मा जाने जोइन गर्ने भइहाल्छ yes uppercase h is drawn के गर्नु पर्यो हामीले dot dot लाई जोइन गर्दै h बनाउने this one is uppercase and again lowercase okay write like this trace over the dots and make h again trace over the dots and make h okay this one uppercase h and this one lowercase h okay trace over the dot and make the alphabet h okay again h h h okay now lowercase h okay Now in this way, I hope you are also doing there in your book. Yes? Now I'll do at last, then you have to do it yourselves, okay? Okay. Trace over the dots. H is itself made. Yes? Trace over the dots. This one is uppercase H, and this one, next one is, this one is lowercase h. Okay, this one is says uppercase, said uppercase because we put here यहाँ माथिदेखि लेखिन्छ नि त, यो uppercase यो lowercase s भित्र लेखिन्छ हो. So write like this, okay? Trace over the dot and H is drawn. Trace over the dot and H is drawn. Okay. Okay. You can do it yourselves. Last line should be done by yourselves and practice it at your home. I hope you enjoyed our today's class and you also learned to say the word. You also learn to say the word starting with H and to trace over the alphabet H. Both lowercase alphabet as well as uppercase alphabet H. Yes? I hope you enjoyed class and learned the things. This much for today. We'll see in our next classes. Have a good time. Bye-bye.